You probably have already noticed that I have created multiple playlists in the back. I've drawn up quite a lot. There is one that I've been wanting to ask you guys about. Well, there is one that hasn't been getting many views lately, and it's the Digimon playlist here. Come on. Got it. Anyway, for the past few years, I have drawn up a lot of Digimon related stuff in the back, and for basically these Digimon videos, they haven't been really been getting that many views. I mean, I've been drawing the best Digimon I can find, and to be honest, they haven't been getting much. I mean, the Digimon playlist has a D-Reaper for the background, for the thumbnail. I've really got to create my own thumbnail for this. Anyway, I've drawn up a lot of other Digimon related stuff, which I consider my favorite. One of my favorites is Aizmon. This guy I made in November.
Alright, viewers!
This guy was one of my favorites after I passed my road exam. I decided to draw him after I drew it. After I passed the written exam. Another good Digimon link that I did was Hercules Kabuterimon. Hercules Kabuterimon was one of my favorites for the Digimon Adventure Tri series. It was one of the best ones I've played. I consider that one to be one of the top 10 Digimon I've collected. There are lots of others that I've considered my favorite, like Metal Tyrannomon. Metal Tyrannomon was one of my personal picks after I saw him in the first episode of Season 3 for Digimon Fusion. I've been watching Digimon ever since Digimon Fusion came out, and, well, I thought it was a good idea to upload it here. I've been drawing up...
Hey guys, welcome!
I've been drawing up a lot of... I've been drawing up the best Digimon I can find. The first Digimon I started off were the ones from the Digimon Fusion series. And then later, I moved on to the Adventure Tri series. There's Machine Dramon, Seraphimon, there's Maycrackmon Vicious Mode, Arrestomon Superior. I've also drawn Shoutmon in his King form and the original. These were the original Digimon that I've drawn up in the past. You guys are free to watch that if you want. Anyway, I just want this part of the Digimon series to get more views. That's what this episode is about. I just want you guys to be aware that it exists. There's Digimon I'm sure you're gonna like High Vision Monotamon, Antilamon, Shine Greymon. Yeah, these Digimon, including the ones from the Digimon reboot, like Rebellamon here. Anyhow, we've got a lot of new Digimon coming up soon, starting with Magna Angemon, and for December, we're gonna draw Shoutmon ×7. Yeah, that's gonna be a great holiday surprise. Anyway, there's also Alamon, one of my favorites. I've drawn up a lot of bosses in the past involving the Digimon stuff, including Omnimon Merciful Mode and Ordinamon. I've drawn 2 other versions of Omnimon that I'll show you in the next episode. Anyway, I've had to redraw hundreds of Digimon from my past videos because they weren't getting that much, including Grand Generamon. Grand Generamon was the fusion of all 7 Digimon generals. And that's kind of saying something because Axe Nightmon took out their digital souls, which is kind of a ripoff if you ask me. But anyway, I'm still glad I drew that one. This Digimon does have a soul, by the way. Yeah, I see it in my eyes and in my heart. Anyway, yep, this is the Shoutmon times 7 finale I drew. I drew that for New Year's Eve. And there's also the Leviathan. There's also a Shoutmon DX, that's one of my favorites. To be honest,
Crank up those amplifiers to the max.
the Digimon playlist is kind of long. I've drawn up quite a lot. And this series is for you guys to watch anytime, any day. The reason why I drew this is because I've checked and there aren't any videos involving how to draw the Digimon. So I thought, why not draw this? Why not draw the Digimon and put it on here? It's sort of a big deal. I mean, you don't know how much this Digimon playlist means to you guys. I've been wanting to see a Digimon playlist, how to draw a special, ever since Digimon first premiered. And I thought it was a good idea to place it on my page. And since then, I haven't been getting that many views. So this video is to inform you guys that this playlist really exists now, and I want you guys to be free to watch it, because I've drawn up quite a lot, and you guys are happy to enjoy and watch it as many times as you want. I don't really know how many Digimon I've drawn up, but if you guys are fans of Digimon and if you want to know how to draw these amazing creatures, you guys are happy to watch them anytime you like. My recent one is Examon, a Digimon that I've wanted to draw up for, I don't know. And I don't know how that got in my playlist. I better switch that to Dragon Ball. Anyway, if you guys are fans of Digimon, you guys are free to come here. I'm still trying to get my view count to 1,000. I'm gonna need your support on this, you guys. If you're watching this, I hope you guys are proud of what's gonna become in the distant future. And if you have a request, I'll be there to take it and put it on the playlist. Anyway, if you guys have any requests on what Digimon you want me to draw next, I'll put it here in the playlist, and you guys are free to watch it anytime you want. You can draw along as I draw this amazing beings. Anyway, I better sign off for now. Someone's gonna pick me up, and I'm already at my job. Anyway, that's all for now. Stegosaurus, see you later, guys. And remember, be sure to check out this playlist, along with everything else, but especially this one.